It was very fun negotiating with Japanese partners in Japanese and scaring our Japanese partners when I spoke in Japanese. So I was actually born and raised in Japan. To no credit to myself, it's not of my choosing. My family or my father uh, basically set up an export business, automobile export business out of Japan. And lo and behold, I was born there, along with my brother. Two of us were, half the family was basically born in Japan, half in Pakistan. That's my ethnicity. But basically grew up there, went to international schools. Up until 18 was in Japan, graduated high school, and then the rest is all in the US. So came to college to the US, studied medicine, practiced for about a decade or so. And interestingly, majority of that decade was practicing in Japanese, not in Japan, but in the US. So this is in Japanese clinics in the US, set up specifically for expats as well as tourists. Did a couple years in Atlanta and then a lot of my years in New York. But for the past 6 years or so, I shifted to the pharmaceutical industry, specifically a startup biotech out of New York, where we're developing drugs, basically going straight into phase 2, generating proof of concept data. So we basically generate proof of concept, IP, etc., tie it in a bow to get it licensed to a larger pharma, hopefully. But interestingly, 2 out of 3 of our products are licensed from Japan. It was very fun negotiating with Japanese partners in Japanese and scaring our Japanese partners when I spoke in Japanese. But all of that kind of coming full circle to this, why we're doing this, because at least I am, and Tetsu will probably explain his side as well, but I'm interested in life sciences, pharmaceuticals, as well as med devices, et cetera, et cetera. I think Japan has a lot of potential. I would like to really bring Japan to the world, much more than they are already, and vice versa as well, because Japan has a drug loss, drug lag. Technologies from the globe are missing in Japan, so I'd love to kind of help facilitate that as well, in whatever capacity, inside work, outside work, whatnot. So that's me.